My name is Caitlin Thorpe, and I am a board-certified family law attorney for Skillern Firm and a partner. We offer a range of services, any type of family law-related need. We offer premarital agreements, partition and exchange agreements, divorce, custody cases, child support, modifications of prior orders. Our firm is different from others because we really take the time to listen to our clients, and we communicate with our clients so that they know what's going on every step of the way. With families, there's no clear winner or loser generally, and so it's figuring out how can we keep the family intact as much as possible given that we're having a divorce. And so we use mediation, we use settlement negotiations, and ultimately if we have to go to trial, then we do. Our clients oftentimes realize that there is some benefit to working together to come up with a solution that everybody can live with and be happy with, because that's going to benefit your family the most. And we are set apart, I think, because ultimately we communicate with our clients. We over-communicate, which is very, very important in a family law case. It helps the lawyer know what's going on, and it also helps the client understand what's going on. When I meet with my clients or potential clients, I like to draw the timeline for them. I like to explain how this is 3 lawsuits in one. We have to change your status back to single. We've got to handle your property, and if you have kids, we have to handle kid issues. And so I take the time to break down each of those topics and discuss, the aspects of a case, and then let you know from day 0 what this looks like all the way through final trial. And as we're talking, it's a very free flow. My client's asking me questions, I'm applying their facts to our timeline, and hopefully by the end of it, we have a game plan of what we need to file or what our next steps are going to look like. As an attorney, it's hard because I'm a parent, and I can't imagine right now not seeing my child every day. But how we help navigate is understanding that we're going to be changing dynamics. This isn't a situation where we can see our kids every day in most situations. There is going to be a lot of emotions. I say it's like a roller coaster, right? At the beginning, you're angry, you're numb, then you get maybe vengeful at a point, then you ultimately peak with all of your feelings together, and then eventually you're coming down and you're understanding that this is the new norm, and you may feel a sense of calm once you have a plan in place. Not having a plan is what causes people to have that anxiety, but ultimately having somebody to help navigate those emotions as they come up and figure out what are the most important things for you so that we can safeguard those.